Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. Herbert Hoover era, need for change, ready for change. Despite Herbert Hoover's efforts, the Great Depression continued in America, and by the end of his term in 1932, the public was ready for a change. EDR takes the lead. Herbert Hoover ran for re-election in 1932 but lost in a landslide against the Democratic candidate Franklin Delano Roosevelt, also known as FDR. FDR went on to introduce the New Deal to pull the United States out of the Depression, which Democrat defeated Herbert Hoover in 19. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.